it's B, and if you're new, welcome, I'm Bushra. Today I'm going to show you how I did this hairstyle for this Coachella look. It might not show up on camera, but I definitely have blue highlights in my hair. So let's get started. And if I was in Sailor Moon, this would be me, okay? I feel like a Sailor Scout. This would be me as a Sailor Scout. Bushra the Sailor Scout. The first thing I'm going to do is spray dry shampoo all in the roots in my hair. I just concentrated on the top and the crown, and I'm just going to rub it in. That way there's a little grip to my hair and a little bit more volume. I'm gonna like pin the top of my hair away. Now I'm going to spray Smooth Criminal as my heat protectant throughout my hair and curl it. Just leave it on for 10 seconds and let go. I'm leaving the ends out, that way it looks a little bit more carefree. Now you're going to brush it all out. Okay. Now leave some of the front pieces that fall around your face and just like this top section right here. And we're just going to twist it up into a little bun. It does not have to be straight at all. It can look messy, it's all good. And I'm just gonna twist it, make little space buns with it. Then bobby pin that right in. This one only has one bobby pin. Yes, my hair stays with one bobby pin. It's so thin. So thin. Now for the ends, I'm going to use the hair powder by Anastasia. But you can use sprays or hair chalk that you can find at Michael's. Always use a coupon at Michael's, by the way. There are plenty of ways to get colorful hair without dyeing it. All I'm doing is taking my hair and sandwiching my thumb and the chalk and just running through it like once or twice. There. I love this because it washes off, it's not permanent, and it's just fun for the day. If you have hair gel, go ahead and mix some of the glitter with the hair gel, but if you don't, or you have a very oily scalp like me, use hairspray. Open up your glitters and have them ready because this is going to be pretty quick. And 2 kinds of brush, either one really works. it doesn't really matter. This is flat, this is fluffy. They're just brushes that I don't really care about. I'm going to work section by section, that way it doesn't dry too fast. So just spray it right on your part and then spray some right on the brush. Dip it in the glitter and just pat it right on your part. A little more. Then now the blue. Alright guys, I hope you liked my Coachella looks and found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!